Students, in this session we will see how to name structures from ketonic functional group according to IUPAC nomenclature. Before we name these structures according to IUPAC nomenclature, we will revise the rules of ketone functional group. RC double bond OR is the ketonic functional group, and in ketonic functional group, last E of parent alkane is replaced by ONE. So the formula of writing the alkane or the ketone is alkanone. If two ketonic functional groups are present, then last E is retained and the suffix one is added. So suffix dione is added. So alkane dione is the formula. Let us start with the first structure, CH3 CO CH3. Actually it is CH3 C double bond O CH3. There are total 3 carbon atoms in straight chain, from left to right or right to left. From any way, numbering will be the same, because C double bond O carbon will get the second number. So 1, 2, 3, this can be the numbering. Total 3 carbon atoms are present in straight chain. So parent hydrocarbon will be propane. By replacing last E of propane by ONE, the name of this structure will become propanone. The name of this structure will become propanone. What we have done? Last E of propane, we have replaced it by ONE. Okay, so propanone is the name of this structure. Let us move to second structure, students. CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. I will repeat, CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3. From left to right, the C double bonded O carbon is getting second number, and from right to left, C double bonded O, that is our functional group carbon, is getting third number. Then numbering is from left to right. CH3 CO CH2 CH3. So total 4 carbon atoms are there in straight chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parent hydrocarbon will be butane. By applying our rule, that is last E of parent hydrocarbon is replaced by ONE, name of this compound will become butanone. I will write here butanone. Butanone. Structure number 3. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there. From left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon atom is C double bonded O, that is carbonyl carbon is getting second number from left to right numbering. From right to left numbering, 1, 2, 3, 4. This C double bonded O carbon is getting fourth number. Which numbering is correct? From left to right, because according to this numbering, this carbon is getting second number, because in this structure we will have to mention the position of C double bond O functional group, that is ketonic functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parent hydrocarbon will be propane. Parent hydrocarbon will be propane, and by mentioning second carbon atom, that is C double bonded O, so name of this particular functional group or name of this structure by considering 5 carbon atoms. Parent hydrocarbon is pentane, students. Okay, pentane. And by considering second carbon as C double bonded O, we will have to mention its position, that is position of ketonic functional group also. So name of this compound will become pentane. Last E is replaced by ONE, but before that ONE, we have to mention the position of ketonic functional group, and it is on second carbon atom. Therefore, pentane 2-on. Pentane 2-on. Next, fourth structure is quite similar to third structure, and the difference is position of C double bond O carbon. Means total carbon atoms in third and fourth structure are 5. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Position of C double bond O, that is ketonic functional group, is on third carbon. If you can number them from left to right or right to left. By both ways, this C double bond O carbon is getting third number. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the numbering. Parent hydrocarbon of total 5 carbon atoms will be pentane. By considering or by mentioning the position of C double bond O functional group, name of this compound will become pentane 3-on. Therefore, I told you there is a quite similarity between structure number 3 and 4. In structure number 3, on second carbon, there was a carbon double bond O functional group, and in this structure, this C double bond O functional group, that is ketonic functional group, is present on third carbon. Therefore, name of the compound will become pentane 3-on. Pentane 3-on. In fifth structure, please see this structure carefully, students. We have 2 CO groups in this structure, that is 2 ketonic functional groups present in the structure, and we have already revised the rule for ketonic structure containing 2 C double bond O groups in it, that last E of parent alkane is retained and the suffix di-on is added at the end. But before we write the name of this structure, we will have to mention the position of carbon atoms where ketonic functional groups are present. So first of all, we will see total number of carbon atoms and we will number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the first point is which numbering is correct, from left to right or right to left. Again I will tell you the rule. The numbering from which the functional group carbon atom is getting lowest number, that numbering is correct. From left to right, this C double bond O, that is ketonic carbon, is getting second number, and from right to left, ketonic carbon is getting third number as the lowest. So numbering from left to right is more correct. Therefore, I will write numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, students, parent hydrocarbon will be hexane. Parent hydrocarbon will be hexane. So while writing the name of this structure, complete spelling of hexane will be written, because when two functional groups or two ketonic groups are present, last E is retained from the name of parent hydrocarbon. So I will write hexane complete. Hexane. Then position of ketonic functional groups. Please see, on second carbon atom there is a C double bond O, and on fourth carbon atom there is a C double bond O. Therefore 2, 4 hexane 2, 4. Two ketonic functional groups are there, therefore dione will be the suffix. Dione will be the suffix. So complete name is read as hexane 2,4-dione. So these are some structures and their IUPAC names according to rules of IUPAC nomenclature for ketonic functional group.